tested for diabetes.
There are just a lot more reasons than you think.
Civil danger for the west coast of the United States. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. At 2:15 a.m., an asteroid 1 kilometer wide was detected by the Near-Earth Asteroid Telescope in Hawaii. This asteroid will impact 5 miles off the coast of Santa Monica Beach in California. This will trigger a megatsunami that may reach upwards of 550 feet tall. This asteroid will hit in the next 6 hours. An evacuation message will be issued for the affected areas shortly. Please stay tuned and await this message.
This is an NBC News special report.
Evacuate immediately. The following message is being transmitted at the request of FEMA and the governors of Oregon, Washington, and California. An asteroid is on a track to impact 5 miles off the coast of Santa Monica Beach in California. This will trigger a mega tsunami that may wipe most of the west coast off the map. The following actions should be taken. Gather 2 weeks of food and water, 2 weeks of clothes, prescription medications and medical supplies, a battery-powered or hand-cranked powered radio, extra batteries and flashlights. Do not leave your pets stranded. Bring them with you. National Guard and the state police departments will help you evacuate. Tie a white cloth to the outside of your home to notify the National Guard and the state police departments that you are aware of the situation. If you need help or you are disabled, do not tie a white cloth outside and the police will help you. Use the highways and interstate roads to evacuate. Using county roads and back roads may delay your evacuation and put your life at risk. Public transports are also helping with the evacuation efforts. Speed limits have increased to 100 miles per hour. Head towards the East Coast as much as possible. This message will repeat every hour until knocked off the air. Please move quickly and don't wait. Evacuate now. Civil emergency message for the states of California, Oregon, and Washington at 6:55 a.m. Asteroid B579A036 hit closer than expected, impacting 5 miles ahead of the original point of impact, which means a mega tsunami will impact at a much faster rate and 250 plus feet more than the original calculated 550 feet. If you haven't evacuated yet, do not grab anything and drive as fast and as far as you can towards the East Coast. There is no longer a speed limit in the state of California, Oregon, or Washington. This tsunami will impact the West Coast in 1.5 hours. Go now. Repeating, if you haven't evacuated yet, do not grab anything and drive as fast and as far as you can towards the East Coast. There is no longer a speed limit in the state of California, Oregon, or Washington. Leave now. This is an administrative message from FEMA and the United States government. California, Oregon, and Washington residents, do not return home to the West Coast as there is nothing to return to. A recent flyover of the areas has shown the West Coast is still mostly underwater, and in areas where water has subsided there is nothing left. The West Coast will most likely be uninhabitable for 25 years. FEMA will help citizens with a valid California, Oregon, or Washington driver's license so they can return to normal life. Go to www.fema/help.com or call 499-367-2027. Once again, go to www.fema/help.com or call 499-367-2027.